Welcome to Beyond Code Academy, a Silicon Valley-inspired coding school for kids. I'm from the Student Success Team, and today I'm excited to introduce Beyond VEX IQ Mentorship Program, a hands-on learning experience designed for children aged 9 and above. The program is led by the coach behind teams that have consistently ranked in the top 5 at every national robotics competition in Thailand, giving students a higher chance of success on the competition stage. This program equips children with the skills and mindset to compete in the Thailand National Robotics Competition and even the prestigious VEX World Championship. It's been thoughtfully designed by an experienced robotics engineer who has worked on autonomous vehicles at a leading tech company, ensuring real-world relevance and future-ready learning. What's most inspiring? Hearing directly from the students who've been there. They've faced challenges, made breakthroughs, and come out more confident as leaders and innovators. Here's what one of our Beyond Robotics team members from last season had to say.
Well, here we are with one of the members of Beyond Robotics team, and first of all, I would like to ask your name.
I'm Max. Nice to meet you guys.
Right, Max, it is, and I think Max, you are the captain of Beyond Robotics team, am I right?
Yes, I'd say so.
And how important is the role of parents or coaches in this competition? That will be my last question to you, Max.
A lot of what I see is parents and coaches just screaming at the children, telling them what to do, and coaches building the robot for them. But I think what's important here is the student actually getting to do it themselves. And what we do in Beyond Code here is that we get the students here to learn. And that's what I really like about Beyond Code as well.
Right, thank you, Max. Thank you so much. Cheers. Good enough. Good enough.
Thank you, Max. The mentorship program is led by VEX certified instructors who are also experienced engineers with real competition backgrounds. Your child will gain far more than just technical skills. They'll develop confidence, teamwork, and a passion for innovation while learning to think like real engineers. Through guidance, they'll master the engineering design process, from brainstorming and prototyping to testing and refining, building a strong foundation for future success in STEM. Here's a glimpse into our mentorship program where future engineers are groomed. They learn how to think critically, problem solve under pressure, and apply the engineering design process, from brainstorming and prototyping to testing and refining. Debugging becomes second nature. When something doesn't work, our students don't give up. They get curious. We believe in the potential of every child. That's why our program is student-centered and competition-driven, empowering young minds to take the lead, make decisions, and shine on their own terms. Independence is key. While our mentors are always here to guide, the learning belongs to the students. This isn't just robotics and VEX competition. It's a journey of creativity, resilience, and innovation. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact our Student Success Team. We're happy to help.